Welcome to Twist of the Wrist. Soka's at it again with his R1. He's about to put some fairings because he's going to hit up the track in October. He's going to be doing all the talking today. All of it.
No, I don't know how to talk.
So he bought these from, was it Amazon or eBay?
eBay.
This is an eBay special for all you clowns hating on it. You might want to go white and blue or just white and black. Lives matter. So first things first, he's got to take out all the fairings. That's including the seat to get to this back one right here. With these white, the toast exhaust should be sticking out, standing out. So Soka's trying to take the exhaust off in order to take this tail. But he was wrong.
Well, you gotta hang them loose. That's basically taking it off.
Dang, did you just want to say hang loose right now?
Shikishaki.
Shikishaki. So he's taking all the bolts from the top, under the chair. Is there anything under here?
Underwear.
Whoa.
Okay, tin pikrong.
For all you guys who thought he was Filipino, you were wrong. So he took all the bolts off. He's going to go ahead and pull it off.
This
Oh.
one slides out like that. And
Make sure you guys be careful about the key.
Yes, button.
And this is just the top piece, gentlemen.
Oh, this one slide out.
Slide it out. We're doing this without taking the exhaust off, so just watch out for all the wires.
Take this off.
So now that we have that out, I think the biggest difference between the OEM one and this eBay fairing is, one, this thing is a lot thicker. Unfortunately, it's not as flexible as Soka's one. I mean, Soka's flexible. Let's go.
I should take a picture with that on, and then with this on.
What do you mean?
The back.
Oh, put it back on. So of course, the black toast exhaust is gonna stand out with the color differential. I just made that up. Sounds good though.
That's why I try to get lighter skin.
Whoa.
I want to stand out too.
This look his black skin.
No, mine's just Hawaiian.
Woo!
Slide right in.
There you go.
Right in.
Guide it through. There it is. Oh, like a glove.
Oh man, okay.
You got a boner or what?
Yeah, it's stands out.
He said yeah.
Stands out more.
All right, man. Let's put this thing on.
Again, just
All right, guys. So we got the bottom piece on. We got the bottom piece on, and the problem seems to be material. That new piece from eBay is more of a plastic. It doesn't flex. It'll probably melt by the exhaust. So Master Mechanic Soka Leafo over here is gonna put something. He's gonna MacGyver a little piece so it doesn't melt. Looks good though. That thing stands out, man.
Look, does it stand up now?
Yeah, heck yeah. It looks like you got a foursome in the back of your bike. Who? The girl? Oh, yeah, I told you, bro. Yeah, you're bad to the boner.
It's just really nothing.
Next on the list is the side panels right here.
Oh, I should have done this tomorrow. I bought some sliders. It bolts onto my hair, so I got to take the fairings out again tomorrow. Look at her.
So Soka just put on this, the front of this.
I'm gonna get those eyelids. Put it right here.
Eyelashes?
The eyelashes.
Hey, I'm not taking that out right there. I'm gonna leave that in the video. Now people are gonna expect it. You don't gotta take the dash out, just a couple of bolts. The light stays.
It wasn't fun.
Make sure you guys don't touch the tip sensor, or this shit ain't starting.
The tip sensor?
Soka's tip sensor. So he's putting in this fairing right here. But the front's almost done. And he is done with this side. What was that?
I thought that nigga was on the freeway.
But for sure, man, this toast exhaust though. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. Soka's putting the right side bottom fairing. And right now we're debating if he should run the whole thing, meaning the gas tank.
Show the other side because you got the black on the other side.
Let's check the other side out. Soka's getting down and dirty, Cambodian style. We're gonna go ahead and leave this area black. We'll do the tank white. We went ahead and did the bottom as well. But I think that's it we're gonna do for now. Soka's working on this side. It's looking pretty good though. Yeah, it looks good, man.
It's running good?
Yeah. That's a badass looking R6 right there.
Yep.
And the only thing left to do is just the gas tank cover, put the seat back on, mirrors, and everything should be good. Alright guys, Soka's pretty much done with the R1. And believe it or not, I just got this today for my daughter. So where we're at with this fairings exchange is he went ahead and plastic dipped the tank just to match
all the other ones.
Match the fairings, because before this was the only thing that was white and this was still OEM colors. So just to again guys, it's just temporary. So we went ahead and quoted how much it is to paint everything at a shop, and it wasn't worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and shop around, but for sure the man right here is gonna want some kind of pearl.
Yeah, unless the vinyl wrap comes in, it looks pretty good. Carbon fiber white.
Carbon fiber white. But as of now, we're gonna end this video and leave it as a cliffhanger for you guys. And the next time we see it, it should be all good to go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing and sharing.
Silly R1.
Don't forget to follow Silly R1 right there.
Yeah, hype me up so I can start my channel.
Hype them up. Hype them up. And as for this, you guys will see this again. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and strap this little baby R1 on the truck and deliver it to Miss Kai for her first bike. It's all strapped and ready to go.
Not me, that one. Thank you, Daddy.